going to see like approaches for the cloud migration. Already these all has been explained by our friends, right? So we'll see once again, right? So here approaches for the cloud migration. Till now we have seen what are the phases are going to be involving before moving to the cloud. Okay, our application or a website whenever I want to move into the cloud. So at that time all 5 steps are going to be followed. Okay, after that only here our application is migrated into the cloud, right? So next approaches. So what is the approach meaning here? Yes, here if I am having any application, okay, shall I move to the cloud or not? Shall I, where should I keep my data? Okay, before moving my data into the cloud I need to know about these all things. Means shall I migrate from the existing application? ఆల్రెడీ ఉన్నదాన్నే మళ్ళా ఎగ్జిస్టింగ్ అప్లికేషన్స్నే మనం అప్లోడ్ చేయొచ్చా అంటే ఇఫ్ వీ నో దీస్ అప్రోచెస్ దెన్ ఈజీలీ వీ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది ఆప్షన్ అండ్ కెన్ move our data, right? So here what are the approaches whenever I want to deploy my application into the cloud, or move my application into the cloud. So I would like to make a decision before moving my application into the cloud, right? So shall I migrate from existing, or shall I start from scratch? Okay, or separate company I need to keep, or buy an existing cloud vendors, like that I will be making a decisions with the help of these approaches, right? So here the first one, migrate existing application, right? So here we are having one application now, right? Like any application you take, right? E-commerce or our cricket website. So I have developed that e-commerce website, right? Previously it was running in my laptop, right? Previously it was running in my laptop, and I have written all my code. I have developed that all applications with the help of some HTML, ASP or Java, some other coding language I have used. Okay, it was running in my laptop. Now suddenly here subscribers and everyone are increasing. Okay, I'm unable to handle that load on my single laptop. Now what I decided, I want to move my application or my website into the cloud. Okay, so that it have to be spread globalization. Okay, globalization, everyone can use, everyone can see. So to move that application into the cloud, here I should know, okay, when to migrate my application into the cloud or existing application into the cloud. For that only here we are having the approaches. So for example, migrate the existing application. Here I am having my e-commerce website now. So I have decided I want to move my application into the cloud. Okay, so I want to move my application into the cloud. At the time it will be taking some 4 days time or some 6 days time to move my data, my application into the cloud, right? So that is a small application only, even though it will be taking some time. So there will be a loss. Okay, there will be a loss, and it will be means more, means here some loss will be happen, and our site will be closed for 4 days or 6 days. Okay, to migrate into the cloud. Okay, it is taking some time. At that time we have to face some huge loss, right? So that is migrate existing application. That is the first example. And the second example, here our website. Think that our website is there. Okay, emergency website. This website consists of total like a blood information. Okay, blood bank. So our website is a blood bank, ma. There are many users, and many users are going to viewing this blood bank application or a website, right? So now here they decided to migrate their application into the cloud, but it is taking some time to migrate the application into the cloud. Okay, it may take 4 days or 6 days, and here service provider will be saying, whenever you are moving your application into the cloud, your application will be down or closed for the 4 or 6 days. Okay, so here it will be taking the time. Okay, my website will be closed totally, and it will be not available for 6 to 4 days, right? So here in this case, here it is going to creating some serious loss, right? Why? Because in emergency everyone are viewing that and getting some blood information, okay, from the blood bank. It have to run by 24 by 7. If I close for 1 hour or 1 day also, there may be a serious loss, right? There will be some serious loss of humans, right? So I can't bear that, right? So here, for that, to overcome that type of problems, here we are going to be using the second approach, that is start from scratch. Okay, start from scratch means migrating existing application. It will be, simply we can say that it will be making a loss means, నాకు ఏం ప్రాబ్లం లేదు, నాకు లాస్ అయినా పర్వాలేదు, కొన్ని దానికి ఓకే. బట్ వాట్ ఎవర్ ద 24/7 అప్లికేషన్స్ ఆర్ రన్నింగ్, ఇఫ్ దేర్ ఈస్ లాస్ మీన్స్ విల్, ఎవరు దాన్ని బేర్ చేయలేరు కదా, హ్యూమన్ లాస్ విల్ బి దేర్, రైట్? అలాంటి దానికి హియర్ second approach will be there, that is the start from scratch. So here I will develop one more application now. Okay, one more application, same as it is that blood bank. It may take some 2 weeks. Okay, 2 weeks. I will be using existing application and partially I will be developing, and it will be taking some 14 days or 14 means 2 weeks time, right? But availability of my existing application will be there. Okay, simultaneously I will be developing my new application. It may take some time, okay, no problem, but my existing application will be present there, right? So here whenever my new application is ready, here what I will be doing similarly, here I will be redirecting my existing URL to the whatever the blood bank, okay, blood bank URL is there, that into the new application. Okay, it might take in how much time also, I don't bother. Okay, but here I am providing the service without any problems to the users. That is the start from scratch, right? Start from scratch means already existing application is there. Okay, instead of closing totally, here simultaneously or partially I will be starting developing of that application. Okay, it may take some 14 days time. Okay, no problem for me. Okay, till then the users or the viewers can use this existing application. Once my new application has been done, then I will redirect my new application, okay, into that existing URL, right? So that is the start from scratch, right? Next, third, separate company. Okay, separate company means once you enter into the cloud, you can start the new company now. Why? Because there will be an means easily we can start our business, right? Without purchasing means మన ఓన్గా మనం కొనుక్కోకుండా అన్ని మనం ఏం చేస్తాం, థర్డ్ పార్టీ ఆర్ సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్స్ నుంచి తీసుకొని విత్ ద హెల్ప్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ cloud service providers we can take for the lease and we can utilize the services, right? So either I can select this separate company means, here see one more example. So once you enter into the cloud, you can start the new company. So how means, by separate company we are saying means, here have you heard this matrimony.com, shadi.com websites, right? Have you heard these sites? Matrimony.com, విన్నారా లేదా? Have you heard about that? Yes or no? I need respond. Are you able to hear me? Okay. So here matrimony.com is there, ma. So one person was running, okay, one person was running previously. Now day by day here the site has been become famous, right? And ads was flowing into that, okay. Everyone are approaching to that, right? So slowly it was increasing, okay, increasing. Here one person previously, only one person has been started this website. Now it has been spread to the worldwide website. web, right? So here third party are going to be purchasing this site and deploying into the cloud, okay, with same name, okay. It is spreading not only in at one location, it is spreading at world wide web, right? So it has become a big company ma. So separately they are going to be retaining with same name. Separate company will be there with same name. They are going to be keeping that company, right? So separate company gives some new name also, right? So like that means name is same, okay, brand is same, but branches will be at different location with different third parties. They are going to be purchasing and they are going to be keeping their own company, and they are going to be providing the cloud services, right? That is the separate company. And fourth one is buy an existing cloud vendors. Okay, buy an existing cloud vendors means, for example, in olden days, okay, in olden days means 2017, okay, 2017 లో అమెజాన్ సర్వీసెస్ ఏమీ లేకుండే, okay. Means Amazon services was not that much famous, right? Before that, here EMC, have you heard EMC Square company? EMC Square company, have you heard about that company? EMC Square, it is one of the biggest company in the cloud platform. One of the biggest company in the cloud platform. Okay, when means Amazon was not into the picture, right? Some 7 years back, EMC2 was one of the biggest company in this cloud platform, right? So what this Amazon fellow has been done means he has purchased this EMC Square company. Okay, EMC Square companies already it was running, and it was the top and one of the biggest company. It has been, its place in number one position. So what this Amazon has been done, he has purchased that company only, EMC2. Okay, he has been acquired an existing cloud, right? Cloud, whatever the cloud is, it is going to be providing that all services and total company, this Amazon has been purchased, right? So in this buy an existing cloud vendor, two benefits are there ma. One is here, one is means here, whoever your competitor is there, you are killing them. Okay, how you are killing? You are purchasing, okay, you are purchasing already existing cloud platform company, okay. Who purchased here? Amazon has been purchased. Now, and second benefit, here Amazon is new in the market, okay. Whenever Amazon is new in the market, okay, need not to establish it, okay. Why? Because already he have purchased an existing company, okay. Now no competition is there, already existing company నే purchase చేసుకున్నారు means simply we can say you have purchased that service providers, right? Means purchasing the service provider will be happen in rare case ma, very rare case, right? So here in this buy an existing application in the cloud, sorry, by an existing cloud vendor, Amazon is new member in the cloud ma, and it purchased already existing company, that is EMC Square. Now it is a player, right? Now it is a player in the cloud. So that is the example for buy an existing cloud vendors, right? So why we have to select in which case to make a decision before moving our application into the cloud? First I need to understand about these four approaches, okay. Shall I migrate my application into the migrate existing application? If I migrate my existing application, is there will be any loss? If that loss will affect to the human or the customers or the clients, in that case, next approach, what should I select? I have to select, which approach should I select? If there is a loss, okay, human loss, or we can't bear that loss means, which approach should I select? Answers. I need answers. Next, which approach should I select if there is a huge loss? Okay. Migrate existing. I'm talking about migrate existing application only, ma. In this, what I am doing is, whatever my application is there, now I want to move into the cloud. It will be taking some 4 days time or 6 days time to move my that application. Till then, my website will be blocked or closed, right? If there is a huge loss, okay, if there is a huge loss means we have to move to the start from the scratch. Okay, right. Start from the scratch. Arya, right, ma. Right. I have given another example also. We are running some 24 by 7 blood banks websites. If I close for 1 day or 1 hour also, like 4 days, okay, there will be some huge loss, right? Human loss will be there. Will you bear that loss? అలా ఉంటే బాగుంటుందా? మన వెబ్సైట్ క్లోజ్ చేసేసి మేము బ్లడ్ బ్యాంక్ సైట్ని డెవలప్ చేయడానికి సమ్ 4-6 days టైం పడుతుంది. ఆ లాస్ని మీరు బేర్ చేయగలుగుతారా? హ్యూమన్ లాస్ని? ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? బేర్ చేస్తారా? ఆ కేసులో నో, రైట్? సో ఇన్ దట్ కేస్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు start from scratch means whatever my existing application is there, it will be running simultaneously. Okay, partially it will be running, and simultaneously what I am doing, I am developing another application, same application, but it will be taking some 14 days time, right? Why I am developing another new application, you may have doubt, right? To update my application into the cloud, I need to add some more new features and changing of some code, everything, right? So at that time it will be consuming some time, right? Some time. So instead, in that time I cannot close my site or cannot block my site. Okay, there will be a loss. In that case only we are moving to this start from scratch. Simultaneously already existing application will be running and other application is going to be developing within 14 days. Okay, once it has been completed means, then I will be posting that URL into the existing blood bank application URL only. Okay, that is the start from scratch. Separate company means here only one person was running one matrimony.com, right? With that name, many companies has been spread throughout global wise, right? So like that, here they are going to be spreading all means separate companies are there. Okay, with same name, like that. Buy an existing vendors mean, remember this example ma. Previously EMC2 was there. Okay, Amazon has been purchased that EMC2, and it is it has become a number one. It has killed the competitor. ఓకే, ఎవరైతే వాళ్ళకి కాంపిటీషన్ గా ఉన్నదాన్నే కొనేసుకున్నాడు. ఇంకా కాంపిటీషన్ కి ఎవరు ఉంటారు? ఎవరు లేరు. ఓకే, like that. Buy an existing cloud vendor. This will be happening very rare case ma. Happening in a rare case. So this is about the approaches of the cloud. Clear? Have you understand this ma? Clear? Have you understand this?